as I shared in my weekly analysis, that US30 below 31,300 is a good to sell, and for US100 below 11,800 we may see a good drop. Precisely, it has achieved the lows, now trying to get a little support on the downside before it decides for any further direction. What is going to happen today, which trade you should take, where to enter, where to exit, we will try to see. With the help of candlestick charts and indicators, we will try to see the trading strategy for the day. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. First, we'll look into NASDAQ 100 followed with Dow Jones. So do watch till the end. Let's start the day with NASDAQ 100 first, and let me start with the hourly charts here. On the hourly charts, you can see here, on the hourly charts you can find that the bears failed to take the charge here and it tried to pull it back on the upside. Now there is a resistance here at 11,620 levels, 11,630 levels. You can go long here, and then the resistance here at 11,670 must come into picture, and then 11,700. So largely saying, one can go long above 11,630, one can expect 11,650, 660, which may provide a little resistance, and then beyond that it can try to fly a little more on the upside. Remember, there is a strong gap there to be filled in NASDAQ 100 today, and it is above 11,750 levels. So be watchful of 11,750 for the day. If it trades above 11,750, one can expect it to rise more till towards 11,900 and plus levels. Directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is oversold, now looking forward to a reversal. The MACD is trying to converge and cross over for a bullish move. The RSI is now trading below, or rather in the oversold region for now a while. So possibly a little reversal from here can be expected. The first target should be at 11,670, 11,700, and then if it breaks past 11,750, we may see it covering the gap till towards 11,900. So be watchful of that. Now let's have a look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, you will observe that it is trying to give you this flow, and if you look at this, so yes, 11,750 and 11,820, these two levels you have to be watchful of. Probably if it breaks beyond this, then there could be a sharper rise. So there is a possibility that it can try to reverse till there. See, it is already reversing from here, getting the support here at 11,550 level. It is trying to reverse on the upside. There is a resistance at around 11,670 levels, and beyond that we can expect a rise till towards 11,800, 820. Beyond that, one can remain long definitely on NASDAQ 100 today. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold, and hence a bounce back can be expected. The MACD is wide divergent and extremely bearish. It is trading at -200, -250 levels. And if you look at the RSI is trading below oversold levels, and there should be a little retracement before it looks forward to any further drop. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts too, see, look closely on this. Now these three candles has given lower highs. Now the resistance there at 11,650, 670 should be very strong. Once it breaks past this, one can expect 11,720, 11,750 zone, and beyond that one can expect 11,802 on the upside. It can try to show you strong reversal, and then the greener candle can appear, which may try to bring it till towards 12,000 levels again. I'll be watchful of 11,700 and 11,750, 11,820 levels today. Directional movement extremely bearish. It may try to converge. The stochastic is extremely oversold. It can try to bounce back from here. The MACD is trading at -250 here too. It is extremely bearish. It may try to converge and cross over. The RSI too is oversold, and hence I'll be looking forward to a little reversal from here. Similarly, if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, see, this is the second red candle. The resistance there at 11,650 should come in handy. Once it trades above 11,650 levels, you can go long for 11,750 levels, and beyond that one can expect it to fill out the gap till towards 11,820. Once it trades above 11,820 and 11,900, one can expect to give it a stronger bullish move. See, it is extremely divergent, extremely bearish on the directional move. It must start to converge. Hence, I'll be looking forward to a bullish reversal. Similarly, the stochastic is oversold. I'll be looking forward to a reversal. The MACD is wide divergent and extremely bearish here. We can look forward to a reversal. RSI2 is oversold. So mostly on all the time frames it is showing oversold levels, and hence a little reversal can be expected. Now look at the daily charts. See on the daily candles. Now 11,650 is the level beyond which one can expect that it is trying to give you greener candle. Then 11,750 is the next target. Beyond that one can expect that it is going to fill the gap and it is going to give you a sharper green candle. The reversal could be strong enough this time, which may try to bring it on the upside. How far this can go? It can come back till towards 12,100 levels. Now directional movement is extremely bearish. The stochastic is extremely oversold. I will be looking forward to a reversal for sure, but the MACD has just crossed over. It is thus the third candle and it is divergent and it is still bearish here. And if you look at the RSI, this is trading at bottom there. So yes, you can go short above below 11,500. If you see it trading below 11,500, then only I will recommend you to go short. Till the time it trades above 11,500, I will not recommend you to go short at NASDAQ 100, and we may probably see a bounce back till towards 11,750, and but yes, go long only at 11,650. If you see it trading at 11,650, one can go long for 11,750 and then 11,820. Beyond that we may see a reversal till towards 12,000, 12,100 levels. So go long only above 11,650 levels. Once it trades above this, yes, put the stop loss at 11,500, because if it breaks 11,500 we are looking forward to a sharper drop on the downside. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at US30 here. Now look at the hourly charts on US30. You can find that it is trying to come out of this downward move, and any drop below 31,000, yes, you can go short again. Till the time it trades above 31,000, one can expect it to hit 31,200 levels, which is going to be very strong. And then I told in my weekly analysis, watch out for 31,250, 300. Now also there is a gap, so if it trades about 31,250, go long for 31,300 and then 31,400 levels. Beyond that it will act extremely bullish. Hourly charts, it is extremely divergent and bearish. Stochastic is oversold. The MACD is below minus 300 levels, indicating that there is strong bearishness. It may try to bounce back for a bit. RSI2 is oversold. So everything is oversold here on the hourly charts too. Similarly, like NASDAQ 100, what we have seen. Also look at the 2-hour charts. It is trading near to the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. There should be support here at 11,550 levels and 3,900 levels, and if it trades above 3,900 we can expect it to rise. So yes, for the day if you see it trading, now we have to look forward to these candles here on the 2-hour charts. We have to look forward to the support there on the downside. Only, as I said, only short entry is below 31,000. Till the time it is below above 31,000, I will expect it to rise a bit. I will expect it to rise at least till towards 31,200 levels, and if it breaks past 2, one can see 31,250, and beyond that one can expect it to bridge the gap on the upside. Directional movement is extremely bearish. Stochastic is extremely oversold. The MACD on the 2-hour charts is below minus 400 levels, so be watchful of that. Extremely oversold. It can try to bounce back a bit on the upside. RSI2 is oversold. So 2-hour charts too, it is showing oversold. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, see, once there is a possibility that it can try to achieve the highs of this channel. Yes, it has got the support at 31,000 level. On the upside, 31,200, 250 levels we have to watch out for. Beyond this you can expect 31,400, and beyond that we may see a strong reversal in US30 today. Directional movement extremely bearish. Stochastic is extremely oversold here, and MACD is wide divergent, extremely bearish levels. It can try to bounce back from here. RSI2 is oversold here, so almost all the time frames it is showing oversold, and hence a little bounce back can be expected. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts you can see lower highs we have seen. The resistance there at 31,200, 210 is going to be very strong. The support there at 31,000 is going to be strong there. If it breaks below 31,000, one can expect 3,900, 3,800 and below levels. Be watchful of that. Till the time it trades above 31,000, I'll expect it to achieve 31,200 to 20 levels, and if it breaks 31,250, one can expect that it is going to reverse strongly on the upside. Watch out for 31,300, 400 levels, and beyond that we can consider that as reversal. Directional movement is extremely bearish. The stochastic is again oversold here, and it is further looking downwards. The MACD is extremely bearish. It must bounce back a little. RSI 2 is oversold. Now coming back to the daily charts here. On the daily charts, if you look at, see, we have to wait for 31,250. Now if you recall, in my weekly analysis I have very clearly told that below 31,300 we may get a support at 31,250. Now the support at 31,250 is going to be strong, or resistance at 31,250 is going to be strong for US30. Beyond that, one can expect that it is going to reverse. Also look at this, it has achieved the bottom of the Bollinger Bands at 31,000 levels, and this is proved out to be very strong support. So in between 31,000 and 31,250 we have to be cautious. Beyond that, one can expect on the upside, we can expect a rise. As I said, yes, with this support at 31,000 one can still go long, and one can expect it to hit 31,220 levels, then 31,250, and then beyond that we may see it hitting 31,402. Divergence on the MACD, a directional movement, is extremely bearish. Stochastic is oversold. The MACD is wide divergent and it is extremely bearish here, indicating more sell, but be cautious, and the RSI is near to bottom. So yes, there is a probability for it to rise till the time it trades above 31,000. One can expect, one can remain long, and my next target is 31,170, 31,220, 31,250. Watch out for these three levels, and beyond that we may see it rising till towards 31,400 levels. On the downside, if it breaks 31,000 level, I'll expect it to hit 30,900 first support, and then below that we may see it hitting 30,700 and below levels. Take your positions accordingly. Do not overtrade. Trade with a stop loss. Join my free Telegram channel. Join my mentorship batch or the VIP singles group. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.